everybody, my name is Sunny Chatterjee, the CEO and founder of Wonder Coaching. So আজকে আমরা আবার চলে এসেছি কিছু important information and update নিয়ে. So guys, this time we have come up with two different updates. Number one, Wonder Coaching দুর্গাপুরের সবথেকে অ্যাডভান্স কম্পিউটার ল্যাব আপনাদের জন্য নিয়ে চলে এসেছে, যেখানে both arts and science. Hold on for a second. Not only arts and science, apart from that, commerce industry জন্য চলে এসেছে different kind of new courses. Here we are targeting for different kind of courses, computer based industrial courses, যেখানে science background থেকে, arts background থেকে এবং commerce background থেকে different kind of students তারা নিজেদের career খুঁজে পাবে. Number two, science background এ mechanical, civil and building industry যত students আছেন, they are going to get three kinds of courses. Number one, architectural designing courses. Number two, different kind of coding based courses, and apart from that, industrial training in internship and then after placement. So everything is there in Wonder Coaching. We are not only going to provide the best lab of computer over here, but apart from that, we have provided the most experienced teacher from here. যাদের experience 5 to 10 years in pan India level, তারা আমাদের এখানে প্রত্যেকটা স্টুডেন্টকে ট্রেন করবে. So are you ready to make yourself industrially more skilled person over here? Join Wonder Coaching today.